Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you some useful codes which will work on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers which are attached to the SIM slots. Let's tap on OK and let me share another code, which is *##225#***. And as you can see, we are in a calendar info, so here we've got listed all events which are right now in one place. Here we can check some family events, some holidays in your country. I hope that you will be able to check them, and events attached to your mail. So this is a very cool option because from now on you won't have to worry about forgetting about any anniversaries. Let me get back because that's all for this code, and let me show you another one, which is *##426#***. And as you can see, we are in a diagnostic mode, so here we can check, for example, the server, host, port, time connected or signal level. What's more, after tapping on events, we've got another info. We can also show advanced view just by tapping on this three dots icon, tapping on advanced view and tapping on the status. As you can see here, we've got some further details. For example, we can check the last ping, the network type or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code, which is *##759#***. And here we can also check some info about your device, for example, the unique device ID, next alarm which is set, current backoff, the max ping table size, a max retry interval, or we can check actually the pings by tapping here. We can sort them by the ping ID, for example, and we can check the events, the same situation, by the access point, event type or the status. And we can also view client IDs, and as you can see here, we've got some further details. So actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.